guys, it's Tania here for my Ask Me Anything question of the week, coming to you live from the NDIS Provider Retreat in Bali. And the question that I had from these beautiful participants at this beautiful resort you can see in the background today was all about how do I actually get started with developing quality in my business. And the answer to that is it's as simple as starting to build out what you want in your business and what culture of quality is to you. Kind of creating a vision of quality and compliance for your business, starting there, then determining where your gaps are and how you get to where you want to be. So that could be an internal audit, it could be just checking your systems and getting a gut feel about where you are and where you want to be, and breaking that down to a plan, diarising that and creating little tasks for you to do, whether it's over the period of a year, period of 6 months, a period of a month, and breaking those tasks down to manageable pieces. I use the analogy of how do you eat an elephant, and that's one bite at a time. And setting up compliance seems overwhelming and daunting like a big elephant, but it doesn't need to be if you break it down to one chunk at a time. Hopefully that's helpful for you as well. If you do need help with your quality of compliance, I'm always here to answer your questions and here to help. I'm going to get back to the beautiful Bali retreat today, but stay tuned for more questions every Friday with the Ask Tania question of the week.